actually, we are gonna unbox Grove Collaborative today. If you're not familiar with this, this is a sustainable household item subscription. I want to say cleaners, but they do a lot more than that. I just typically get my Mrs. Meyer's cleaners from them, so obviously there is no set price. You do pay a shipping fee if it's under, I think, $25 or $30. I'm not exactly sure. But so if you get over that threshold, then you qualify for free shipping and ship for free. I do like that they keep all the Mrs. Meyer's seasonal scents in stock, and it just makes it a lot easier. They do have an app, which I like too, and I can kind of just scroll. And speaking of Mrs. Meyer's scents, I tried, this is the Compassion Flower. I don't like it because it smells like old ladies. But anyway, all right. The really nifty thing about this subscription is that you get tons of free gifts when you sign up. So I'll show you, not just when you sign up, like in every package, I've literally got, there's like 2 things I actually paid for in here, which I think is awesome. I think I paid like 12 bucks. So I got this whole set, which is the Pear Tree scent for free. For free, F-R-E-E, those are my favorite letters. So this is their hand soap, which I like. This is, oh no, we're not gonna do that yet. This is the dish soap, which is nice. I actually don't think it's better than Dawn or anything, but it's nice. It's nice to have different scents once in a while. I do love these bottles. Once they're empty, I just clean them out and reuse them for like Dawn dish soap if I don't have any more Mrs. Meyer's. And then there's the multi-surface cleaner. So these are not the Mrs. Meyer's concentrates, which you can like buy and then mix your own based on what you're doing. These are just the regular, which I do have some of the concentrate too, but that's in honeysuckle, which is not season appropriate. All right, so I also got the household cleaner in the apple cider scent, and I got the household cleaner in perfect for this time of year. There is something down at the bottom of my box. It says free welcome gift up to $30 value. It's jot.com/grove. What is Jot? Jot looks like a coffee. Concentrate. Oh yeah, I don't want that though. So there you have it, me and my Grove supplies. I will keep my home clean until next season. I think this will last. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.